Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli is a reputable firm specializing in topographic surveys and contour mapping. With years of experience in the industry, they have established themselves as leaders in providing accurate and reliable surveying services. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes advanced equipment and technology to accurately measure and map the elevation and shape of the land. One of the key services provided by Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli is contour mapping. This involves the creation of detailed maps that represent the elevation and shape of the land. These maps are essential for various industries such as construction, engineering, and land development. By accurately representing the land contours, these maps help in planning and designing infrastructure projects, determining drainage patterns, and assessing the suitability of a site for construction. The team at Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli has extensive knowledge and expertise in contour mapping techniques. They use precise surveying methods to measure elevation points at regular intervals across the site. These points are then connected to form contour lines that represent areas of equal elevation. By analyzing these contour lines, they can identify slopes, ridges, valleys, and other topographical features of the land. Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli also offers topographic surveys, which involve the detailed measurement and mapping of both natural and man-made features on a site. These surveys provide valuable information about the existing conditions of the land, including its elevation, vegetation, buildings, roads, and water bodies. This data is crucial for designing new infrastructure projects or making modifications to existing ones. In addition to contour mapping and topographic surveys, Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli also provides SCON design services. Topographic surveys and contour mapping are the specialties of the reputed company Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli. With years in the business, they have made a name for themselves as experts in offering precise and trustworthy surveying services. With the use of cutting-edge tools and technology, their team of knowledgeable surveyors precisely measures and maps the terrain's elevation and shape. The contour mapping service offered by Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli is one of their main offerings. This entails the construction of intricate maps that depict the terrain's height and contour. Construction, engineering, and land development are just a few of the businesses that depend on these maps. These maps, which precisely depict the terrain contours, are useful for planning and developing infrastructure projects, figuring out drainage patterns, and establishing if a site is suitable for building. The staff of Contour Surveyors Ahamedpur Chauroli is highly skilled and knowledgeable in contour mapping methods. They take elevation measurements at certain places scattered over the property using precision surveying techniques. Following the joining of these spots, contour lines representing equal elevation